Hello everyone, what is up to Zachary81 Quad? As you can tell here, we have a nice little tree here. He fell down, so we're going to put him in our fire pit. Luckily it's nice and close. Okay, now we're going in here to...
I'm just putting this in here.
Yeah.
Didn't want to have him in the front of the four-wheeler.
That would be really bad if you know what I mean, Papa. Okay, we're trying to start his. Been like a while.
Yeah.
Is the battery dead, you think? A long while.
Yeah.
We haven't used these four-wheelers since we last posted.
I have to jump it.
So this is a long time.
I might not be able to take my four-wheeler over there.
I'll try mine. Let's try mine, guys. Okay, I got my choke fully on. The spider web touching my knee. Okay, turn it. The battery's on. Let's try to start it. Thank God mine starts. I'll just let it idle here. I'll let it idle. I'll let it do its thing. Smells like doo-doo in there. Yeah. This has already been a crazy episode. Oh, it's stalled. I'll rev it. Smells like... oh my God. Oh, it's stalled again. I need to get... I'll get my helmet on. I'll just drive it around, so... I'll get to you once we cut up the tree. So I'm in a slight predicament right now. There's a spider web and a spooter living in my helmet. So I don't know what to do. I'll wait till my Papa comes back. So, yay. Look at that. I don't know. Oh my God, where did the spider go? I'm not scared. You're scared. I'm not scared. You're scared. So while he gets the spider out of my helmet, I'll just carry this to the fire pit. Then I'll talk to you as soon as we get to cut the tree. Sorry this episode's been so long already. So my front tires are apparently... Oh, yeah. This one's good though. Stay tuned for part 2.